Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by biotechnology company Medlab Clinical, ASX code MDC. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the CEO of Medlab, Dr. Sean Hall. Hi, Sean.
Hi, Matt.
Okay, Sean, Medlab's principal product, known as Nanocell, as I understand it, is not actually a drug, but rather it's some kind of platform that enables the delivery of other people's drugs. Firstly, is that right? And if so, how does it work and why the need for it?
Firstly, that is correct. What we do is we enhance drugs. Most drugs that we take today, especially ones by mouth, don't get absorbed correctly. We're able to improve a drug, decrease side effects, and overall improve patient health response.
Okay, so if you're developing a drug delivery platform rather than a drug itself, am I right in assuming that any drug out there made by anyone could potentially be partnered with Nanocell?
They're very wide berth, especially in most of the generic type medicines a doctor might prescribe for a patient any day of the week. But general statement, yes.
So how do you know it works? What testing have you done?
Depending on the drug substance, different tests for different causes, but we've done a lot in human, very little in animal, a lot obviously in chemistry. So we look for safety, we look for tolerability, we look for efficaciousness. So does it work with other drugs? Does it give us the intended effect? In that, we play spectrums from pain to cholesterol to mental health. So we're very comfortable in saying it works, and our work has been validated by some 40-odd global patent offices around the world. It's fairly novel.
So I understand Nanocell is not quite available yet, still under development, albeit you're getting towards the end of that. What does your pathway to commercialisation look like from here?
Yeah, the big one is we partner with other companies, so they have a drug that needs improvement. They have a problem that they need to solve. At that point, they have a go-to-market strategy. In some cases, we're a couple of years out. In some cases, we have drugs intended for the Northern Hemisphere and not the Southern Hemisphere. That path to market for us is partnering with articulated bigger companies, and then they take it to the proposed patient at the end of the day.
Dr. Sean Hall from Medlab, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears today. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB and 3AW websites and click the Public Companies tab.